Okay everybody, back with Sunday's 2-card tutorial Sunday. And craft every day in May, sponsored, hosted by Jan's Crazy Life. She has put a fire under my butt. Okay, so the 2-card tutorial Sunday. I'm thinking today's 2 cards are going to be done in cardstock. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to just cut that in half, 5 1/2. We're flying by the seat of our pants. And I think we're using these from the Dollar Tree. That's what I think we're doing. I think so. These were from a couple of weeks ago. They're in the files at my Facebook group, Donna, Powered by Creativity. Except this time, this is what I was telling you all, you can print them out on any color cardstock you want. So today I chose this one. And I'm thinking, only because look at the colors, right? The colors kind of match. And then I'm thinking, let me show you what I'm thinking. Let me show you what I'm thinking. I just saw it. That's too modern. I'm thinking this one. And my paper's not open. I guess this was a Michael's Hot Buy. I don't remember when I got it. But I'm thinking that this all kind of goes very nicely together. And I kind of have a couple ideas in my mind. I think I want that to be... Alright, so we're going to cut this down. I think we're going to cut that down to 5 1/4 by 4. Let's cut that down. 5 1/4 by 4. Alright. 5 1/4 by 4. Oh, I really like the way these two look together. 5 1/4 by 4. We just did that. I'm going to say it over and over. And I'm thinking that... Oh, I like both of these. I'm thinking... Haha. This is a very nice... thinking this one. I'm thinking that one, right smack in the middle. Oh, this would be amazing on dimensionals. You know, I can't because the flowers are already dimensionals. Okay, look, there we go. And I think I'm going to use my scallop punch. Love this thing. And I'm thinking this is going to come up on dimensional. Yep. We're doing dimensionals. I have a thing for dimensionals, I guess. Just makes things pop. Pop, pop, pop. I'm going to stick one right smack in the middle. Loving this. Hope everybody had a great weekend or is having a great weekend. Hope the weather is nice by you all. I'm going to open that up and I am going to line it up. Remember, I have 1/8 of an inch all the way around. Always. Oh my goodness! How stinking easy is this? Now, I'm thinking that fancy one. That fancy one. I think that will be just the right size. So, let's do this. want to use the same scallop punch that I used. And look at that shape. And this is going to go up on dimensionals. Yay! Card came to life. All right. It's almost like a very subtle, sorry if my head gets in the way. Hold on. Look at that. See that? It's so subtle. Actually, what I could do is this. The stick would allow me to pull it off. Let's see. How about, watch this. Okay, watch what we do. Oh, I gotta match up my paper. Okay, same paper. We're gonna fussy cut this. Yep, we're fussy cutting it. Now look at that. Isn't that adorable? Ah. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right. I absolutely love it. Ta-da! Now that popped. Isn't that amazing? Okay, that's the card that's in my head for that. Now, what I'm thinking is this. This card is going to go this way. I'm wondering, do we stick to the same theme? When you find something you like, do you run with it? All right, so I'm gonna cut that by 5 1/4 by 4. And we should already be there. Yep, and we're gonna do the same scallop punch. All right. Think in dimensionals. Oh, new concept. New concept. Watch this. And then let's see what happens when we just scallop our edges. Oh, look how cute. One end's not the same. Ah, look at how sweet that came out. There you go. Okay, dimensionals. Ta-da! That's today's 2-card tutorial Sunday. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell button so you get notifications whenever I upload a video. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.